Days of the week. Yes, in Master Azerbaijani Weekly Recap, we have days of the week because that's what we learned. Now, we learned that Bazar Ertəsi is the official name for Monday, or otherwise called Birinci Gün, first day. We learned that Çərşənbə Axşamı, Tuesday, is the name in Azerbaijani and also has İkinci Gün, which means second day. We learned Çərşəmbə is called for Wednesday, also called Üçüncü Gün. Next comes Cümə Axşamı, which is Thursday, also called Dördüncü Gün, literally fourth day. We learned Cümə, that is used most of the time along with a couple of more days with the word Günü, of the day, or Beşinci Gün, that is fifth day. We learned Şənbə, which is called Saturday, or otherwise called Altıncı Gün, meaning sixth day, literally. And finally, Bazar, which is also used with the word Günü, for Sunday, which is also called Yeddinci Gün. Now, that joke uses, ready? My to-do list bravely surrenders every Şənbə. My week's chaos peaks on Çərşəmbə. My to-do list mysteriously retires the moment Cümə shows up. Nothing says productivity like Bazar Ertəsi and an overflowing inbox. Sure, let's all meet on Bazar. My calendar loves surprises. Quiz time? Which word means Wednesday? Drop in the comments below. Don't worry about having the perfect letter because you know some letters in Azerbaijani may not have in your keyboard. Just type in something the closest one. And of course, come back next week where we will be starting new works and a quick hint that will be related to get ready to pack, to get some rest, vacation, etc. Otherwise, my recommendation to you, make sure come and check every day because consistency is what builds the fluency. And to help you with that, I also have masterazerbaijani.com where I post every 10 days blogs on multiple topics. Check that out. I also have Master Azerbaijani app for you available in App Store and Google Store. Check that out as well. I'm giving away Module 1 completely free. That is the main module, I would say, that will help you set the foundations to learn the language. Otherwise, let's see you next week. Cheers.